Hi guys, in this video I'm going talking about how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So guys, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and button and all right, let's go started. First all, open App Store on your mobile device and search for NFC tools. After that, open this app and make sure to download the downloading completed. Tap and open button and you will be redirected in this page. And now activate NFC tag and hold it, close your iOS device, and know that Apple Wallet will promptly recognize and the NFC tag availability, and it will provide you the option and add card. And so just need to follow on screen instruction and you will be able to add the NFC card to your Apple Wallet. That is how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So that is all for today, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks again for watching this video.